When getting started with wake surfing, one of the key considerations is what is the best wake surfboard to buy. Here we review the top 5 wake surfboards on today's market for beginners to help make your shopping trip a breeze. Number 1, Best Overall. Hyperlite Shim Wakesurf Board for Beginners. The Hyperlite Shim board truly embodies a hybrid board design. It's a great product for individuals who want a surf style board and skim style board, but don't want two different boards. This board is great for handling multiple riders. This board comes with 3 removable fins, so riders can customize the board however they wish to use a single fin design, dual, or all 3 together. The Hyperlite Shim Wakesurf is great for riders who wish to improve their surfing skills. In the end, it's great for those looking for a design that allows them easier and faster rotates and spins. Number 2. CWB Ride Wakesurf Board for Beginners. If you want to tear through the water at top speeds, the CWB Ride is the perfect wake surfboard for you. This surf-style board allows you to take on the waves with easy traction and predictable turns. A CNC diamond-cut EVA pad with a kicktail also makes this board easy to maneuver. The board also features double-edge rails that allow you to hug the waves and grip effortlessly, making it a great option for performing stunts. This board is easy to ride and fully customizable, making it a great option for all riders from beginners to advanced. Number 3. Hyperlite Landlock Wakesurf Board for Beginners. If you're a beginner who has been thinking about dipping your toes into the world of wake surfing, then the Hyperlite Landlock board is the perfect option for you. You can keep yourself in the pocket and easily track with the tri-fin setup. It features a monocoque construction and a light EPS core that creates off-the-charts tricks for everyone to enjoy. It offers a huge amount of versatility and smooth side rails, which are great for any wake surfer, especially beginners. Hyperlite is known for its versatile fiberglass, with each board having a layered glass that is perfectly suitable for that specific board. Number 4. South Bay Board Company. Fiberglassed Wakesurf Board for Beginners. One of the best beginner wake surf boards on today's market, this top-rated board from Driftsun allows you to get up and stay up with ease. The surf-style design of this board closely mimics that of a regular surfboard, thus creating an easier-to-learn canvas. This board comes with the most popular tri-fin style setup. This control will allow beginner riders to build their skill and comfort levels. The compression-molded design combined with the EVA pad and kicktail gives this board precision while being easy to maneuver. Number 5. Driftsun Throwdown Wakesurf Board for Beginners. Driftsun has designed the Throwdown to grow with the rider. Ideal for beginners, the low rail and rolled edges design provide added stability, ensuring you can get up with ease. This board will take you from beginner right through to intermediate. This board features a comfortable and incredibly diverse 4-fin setup that allows you to completely customize your ride to the day's conditions. The board EVA diamond-shaped traction pads provide more grip, allowing you to stay up longer. This gives you the ultimate comfort to enjoy your day. Finally, the diamond tail allows for more responsive turning.
Thanks for watching the video.